Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to edit groups in Slack. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Slack application or go to Slack website from your browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the left side of your screen you can see your workspace. There in the workspace you can see your groups. Click on the group that you want to edit. Then from the top, click to this button. Then this type of interface will pop up in your screen. From here you can add on members. You can also change your topic and drag any files here. You can also start conversation or remove the start conversation. In setting option you can change it from private channel to public channel or public channel to private. You can also enable and disable your notification from here. This is how you can edit groups in Slack. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.